What would happen if you sneezed inside a spacesuit? It sounds funny, but inside a sealed helmet, even something this small can turn into a problem very fast. You cannot just turn away, wipe your face, or take the helmet off for a second. Everything that comes out during the sneeze stays outside. And when your visibility and comfort fully depend on the suit, even one sneeze can ruin your view, distract you, and make the whole situation much more unpleasant. So the worst part is not the sneeze itself, but what starts right after it.